So student, in the previous lecture, I had given you example of that practice at 1.1. Now look at that sixth example of question number 2. That example is little bit of different type. So I will try to solve that example over here. Just look here, just look on the board how to solve that example. So look here, that example is 1 by 3x plus y, which is equal to 10 by 3, and the second equation is 2x plus 1 by 4y is equal to 11 by 4. Now we will try to solve that example. So in the solution, we will write that equation 1 by 3x plus y, which is equal to 10 by 3. We will make that equation as equation number 1. Now the next equation is 2x plus 1 by 4y equal to 11 by 4. We will make that equation as equation number 2. Now look at that example. We have fraction number 1 by 3. Here also 10 by 3. So if we multiply that equation number 1 by 3, that 3 which is at denominator, that will be cancelled and only x will remain over there at the numerator. So we will multiply that equation number 1, multiply equation 1 by 3. So now we will multiply that equation by 3. So it will be 3 multiplication 1 by 3 x plus y, again 3 multiplication 10 by 3. Multiplication of that 3 with the equation 1, that means we have to multiply that 3 with both the side. So after multiplying 3 multiplication 1 by 3 x plus 3 multiplication y, which is equal to 3 into 10 by 3. Now look here, that 3 which is a denominator and that 3 which is a numerator, that will cancel. Here again that 3 will get cancelled to each other. What will remain? At the numerator only x is remaining, here 3y and then 10. So we got x plus 3y, which is equal to 10. So we got another equation. Now we will make that equation as equation number 3. Okay. Now we will take another equation, that equation number 2, which is 2x plus 1 by 4y, 1 by 4 multiplication y, which is equal to 11 by 4. Okay, so we have that equation. Now look here, we have to remove that 1 by 4, that 4 which is at denominator. We have to remove that 4 from here also. So once we will multiply that equation by 4, we can easily remove that 4. So by multiplying equation 2 by 4. So here we are multiplying that equation number 2 by 4. So after multiplication, what will come? Over into the bracket 2x plus 1 by 4y, which is equal to 4 multiplication 11 by 4. So that 4 will multiply inside the bracket. So 4 multiplication 2x plus 4 multiplication 1 by 4y, which is equal to 4 multiplication 11 by 4. Now look at that 4 will be cancelled, which is a numerator and denominator. Here again same. What we will get? 4 into 2 will be 8x plus that y only and 11. So we got another equation 8x plus y, which is equal to 11. So we will make that equation as the equation number 4. Look here. So again we got two more equations, equation number 3 and equation number 4. Now we will deal with the equation number 3 and equation number 4. So we got that equation number 3 and 4. Now we have to deal with equation number 3 and equation number 4. So look here, now at the equation number 3, the variable of that coefficient y is 3, and the variable at the equation number 4, the variable of that coefficient y is 1. So if we will get 3 over here, then we can subtract that equation and we can get the value of x. So if we multiply that equation number 4 by 3, we can get 3 over here easily. So now here we will multiply. I have left that part so that I can solve. Okay. Now we have to multiply that equation number 4 with the 3. Multiply equation multiply equation 4 by 3. So after multiplying that equation 4 by 3, what we will get? 3 multiplication 8x plus y, which is equal to 3 multiplication 11. So after that, now look here, we have to multiply that 3 inside the bracket. So 3 into 8 will be 8. 8 3 is 24x plus 3 into y will be 3y, which is equal to 33. 11 3 is 33. So we got one more equation, one new equation, that 24x plus 3y, which is equal to 33. That will be the equation number 5. Whichever equation we will get, that will be the further equation. Okay. So that equation number 4. Now look at the equation number 5 and equation number 3. Here we have 3y. Here also we have 3y. So now if you subtract that equation from this one, that 3 will be cancelled because of opposite sign. So we can subtract equation 3 from 5. Okay. So first of all, we need to write equation number 5. 24x plus 3y is equal to 33, and our equation number 3, x plus 3y, which is equal to 10. As we have to do subtraction, the signs will get changed. That negative, that 3y will become negative, and that plus 10 will also become negative 10. So now here plus 3y minus 3y, that will be cancelled with each other. Now look here, 24x minus x, we will get 23x equal to 33 minus 10 will be 23. So we have 23x is equal to 23. Now shift that 23 to the right hand side. So after shifting that 23 to the right hand side, we will get the value of x. So x will be equal to 23 upon 23. So we got 23 upon 23. So now 23 upon 23 will be 1. So we got x is equal to 1. Now here we got value of x as a 1. So we can substitute that value of x in any one of the equation. So we are going to substitute that value of x in equation number 4. So our equation number 4 was 8x plus y, which is equal to 11. So that was our equation number 4. Okay, I am writing that equation number 4 again so that you can understand. That was our equation number 4. So we are substituting that value of substitute value of x. X is equal to 1 in equation 4. So by substituting that value, 8 into 1 plus y, which is equal to 11. So after substituting value of x, we will get 8 into 1 will be 8 plus y, which is equal to 11. Now here we have to find the value of y. Now we have to shift that 8 to the right hand side. As that 8 is positive here, whenever it will shift to the right hand side, it will become negative. So y will be equal to 11 minus 8. So y will be equal to 11 minus 8 will be 3. So we got value of y as a equation, value of y as a 3. Therefore the solution is x is equal to 1 comma y is equal to 3, or we can write that solution as a order pair xy, which is equal to the value of x as a 1 and the value of y as a 3. So that will be the solution of the problem like that. Okay. So students, this is the 7th example of that same practice set 1.1. Now look here, we have 99x plus 101y, which is equal to 499, and 101x plus 99y, which is equal to 501. So we will solve that example. Now look here, whenever you see that kind of example, look here, the coefficients are interchanged. Okay, that means whichever coefficient of x is here, that is the coefficient of y, and whichever coefficient is of y, that will be here at the coefficient of x. So whenever see that you will see that kind of example, first we need to add that equation, both the equation, and again after that we have to subtract that equation. Okay, after that, after doing that, you will get two more new equations and you will have to deal with that two equations. Okay, so let's solve that example. Now we have to write that equation 99x plus 101y, which is equal to 499. Now make that equation as equation number 1, and again 101x plus 99y, which is equal to 501. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now we have to add equation number 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and equation 2. So 99x plus 101y, which is equal to 499, and another equation number 2 is 101x plus 99y, which is equal to 501. Now we have to add that equations. 99x plus 101 on 99x plus 101x will be 200x plus 101y plus 99y will be 200y, which is equal to 499 plus 501 will be 1000. Okay, now look here, this is a 200x plus 200y, which is equal to 1000. Now if we divide that equation by 200, what we will get? Just look here. Now here we are dividing that equation by 200. So after dividing by 200, what we will get? X plus y, which is equal to, if we divide that 1000 by 200, we will get 5. Look here, we got another equation. Now let's make that equation as equation number 3. Okay. Now again we will subtract that equation. So subtract equation 1 from 2. We will get 2 from 1. Okay. We are subtracting from the equation number 2 from equation number 1. So subtracting the equation number 2 from equation number 1. So we have to write 99x plus 101y, which is equal to 499, and 101x plus 99y, which is equal to 501. Okay, as we have to do subtraction, that sign will get changed. That 101 become negative, 99y will become negative 99y, and that 501 will also become negative. So after subtracting 101 from 99, so 99 minus 101 will be minus 2x. Here 101 minus 99 will be plus 2y, which is equal to, now look here, 499 and 501. 499 is smaller and 501 is bigger, so that after subtracting that bigger from smaller one, it will become minus 2. Okay, what we got? Minus 2x plus 2y, which is equal to minus 2. Now look here, that coefficient of x is a 2, coefficient of y is 2, and here also at the right hand side we have 2, so we can divide that equation by 2. So after dividing that equation by 2, what we will get? Minus x plus y, which is equal to minus 1. Look here, we got another equation. Let's make that equation as equation number 4. So we got that equation as equation number 4. Now we have to deal with the equation number 4 and equation number 3. Okay, now look here, that x is a plus, x is a minus. If we add that equation 3 and 4, we will get we can easily cancel that x and we will get the value of y. So let's add equation 3 and 4. So we are adding that equation 3 and 4. So our equation 3 is x plus y, which is equal to 5, and minus x plus y, which is equal to minus 1. As we have to add them, that plus x minus x will be cancelled, and that y plus y will become 2y, which is equal to 5 minus 1 will be 4. What we got? 2y is equal to 4. So therefore we have to shift that to the right hand side, so that y will be equal to 4 by 2. Y equal to 4 by 2. Therefore y, 2 on the 2 to the 4. So y is equal to 2. So we got value of y as a 2. So we got the value of y as a 2. Now we will substitute that value of y in equation number 3. Okay, so our equation 3 was x plus y which is equal to 5. That was our equation number 3. Now we have to substitute the value of y is equal to 2 in that equation 3. Okay, that was our equation number 3. Okay, I have written that equation 3 again over here so that you can able to understand. Okay, so y is equal to 2, so x plus 2 which is equal to 5. So x will be equal to, that 2 will go to the right hand side, so 5 minus 2, therefore x will be equal to 3. We got value of x as a 3 and value of y as a 2. Therefore solution is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. We can also write order pair xy which is equal to value of x as a 3 and value of y as a 2. Now students, that will be the solution of the given type of example. Okay, stop. So student, this is the same kind of problem which we have solved previously. The 49x minus 57y which is equal to 172 and 57x minus 49y which is equal to 252. You have to solve by using previous method, so that will be your homework. Okay.